Hello everyone, today we're gonna repair X-House flex leak. As you see in the picture, broken flex. So what you need is just cut this pipe, both ends, and we'll install the $35 flex from Amazon. So you put a clip that's 1 and 7/8 inches diameter, and the other side is 2 and 1/4 inches diameter. So problem solved, no welding needed. $35 fix of X-House leak or flex connector sold from Amazon. God bless everyone. Do it yourself if you need it. Stay safe. Bye bye.